The fancy new Google Glass headsets let you search the internet by simply speaking your commands aloud, and so do some new Android smartphones. Voice-activated search is also coming to desktop and notebook computers, although it's still a work in progress. To make the most of Google's voice-activated search on your desktop, you'll need to be running the Google Chrome browser like we are here, and then install the Google Voice Search Hotword plugin. As you can see, we've got Chrome open here, and there's a microphone icon in the search bar, but it doesn't work unless we click on it like this. At this point, it asks us if we would like to use the microphone, and we say that that's okay. The Grand Canyon.
According to Wikipedia, the Grand Canyon is a steep-sided canyon carved by the Colorado River in the United States in the state of Arizona.
Once we install the plugin, we'll be able to do that and a lot more without the need to click on the microphone icon first. The first step is to sign into our Google account so we can download the plugin from the Chrome Web Store, and we'll sign in here. We'll skip this for now, and now we're logged into our account. Let's open a new tab and visit the Chrome Web Store. Now we'll search for Google Voice Search Hotword and install it. You might find, like we have here, that it doesn't show up in the web store yet. If that happens to you, just start a new tab and search for the name Google Voice Search Hotwords, and you'll find a direct link to it like this. It's a free extension, so we can just click here, add, and we're done, and we'll take a few seconds to download. If you scroll down on this page, you'll find a few settings you can change. By default, it stops listening after 5 minutes to save power, but you can untick this box if you want it to keep listening. Let's leave it the way it is and test it. To test out voice search, we'll open a new tab and go to google.com. At the moment, the search extension only works with google.com, not google.com.au, but it might be taken here by default if you're coming to Google from Australia. The way to get around this is to go down to the right and click google.com. And now you can see that the microphone icon is filled in and it says "Say OK Google" in the search bar. If it's still not working at this point, have a look up here to make sure there isn't anything written after google.com. You just need google.com. So let's test it out. OK Google, the Grand Canyon. Of course, it doesn't work until we click allow. The Grand Canyon.
According to Wikipedia, the Grand Canyon is a steep-sided canyon carved by
And
the
there you
Colorado
go.
River
There's
in
our
the
search
United
result.
States in the state of Arizona.
It's still listening, so we can do another one straight away. OK Google, Sydney.
According to Wikipedia, Sydney is the state capital of New South Wales and the most populous
There are a
city in
few things to
Australia.
keep in mind when using this feature. Firstly, the google.com tab must be selected in order for the search feature to function. It stops listening for the phrase OK Google when the tab is in the background or another application is selected. Voice search features may also fail to work if the computer's audio line in is selected as the default audio input rather than the microphone. Along with searching the internet, the Voice Search Hotword plugin also works with Google's advanced search features. These include voice-activated calculators, currency converters, maps, dictionaries, weather forecasts, and stock prices, with the browser often speaking the results out loud. OK Google, 6 times 7.
The answer is 42.
OK Google, weather in Melbourne.
It's 25 degrees and clear in Melbourne.
OK Google, 100 Australian dollars in US dollars. Okay, so it's not perfect and it might take a little bit of practice. OK Google, 100 Australian dollars in US dollars.
1 Australian dollar equals 0.91 US dollars.
You'll obviously need to speak a little bit slower and clearer than usual, but once you get the hang of it, Google's voice search might be just what you're looking for.